Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Kling AI to make shorts video. We'll start right inside your browser, so you can follow along step by step without needing any extra tools or setup. Go to kling.ai/app. That's the home of Kling AI's video generator. Once the page loads, look to the left-hand sidebar and open the Generate workspace. This is where you'll set up everything for your short, from the prompt to the format, making sure your entire video structure is defined before generation begins. This early setup is important because it helps you avoid confusion later and keeps your workflow clean, especially when you're producing multiple shorts in one session. Next, write your prompt for this tutorial. Type a confident young man walking through a futuristic city at night. Neon lights reflecting on wet streets, cinematic lighting, realistic details, slow camera tracking, shot vertical video. This example is descriptive on purpose. Strong prompts include the subject, the setting, lighting, mood, camera movement, and the intended orientation. This level of detail helps the model understand not just what to show, but how the scene should feel and move. Think of it like giving instructions to a director and cinematographer at the same time. If you're making a different concept later, follow that same structure so the model understands exactly what to create. Consistency in prompt structure will improve your results over time and reduce the number of revisions needed. It also helps you develop a repeatable system, which is especially useful if you're planning to create multiple shorts in a series or batch workflow. At the top of the Generate view, choose a quality setting. Higher quality usually gives crisper textures and better lighting, but it can take longer to render and may use more credits depending on your plan. If you're testing ideas, start with a balanced option. When you're ready for the final result, bump the quality up. This approach helps you save credits while still allowing room for experimentation. A smart strategy is to test low or medium quality first, then switch to high quality once you're confident in your prompt direction. Now choose the length. Shorts perform best when they're concise, so pick a duration that delivers a clear moment just enough for the action to land without dragging. Shorter clips also render faster, which is great while you're iterating and testing different prompt variations. This makes it easier to experiment quickly and find the timing that keeps viewers engaged from the first second. Set the video ratio to 9:16. This vertical format is the standard for platforms like YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Reels. Selecting it here ensures framing is composed correctly from the start, rather than cropping later and losing details on the edges. This is especially important when your subject is moving, as cropping can break composition and reduce visual impact. It also helps maintain a professional look across all mobile platforms. Decide how many outputs you want. Generating multiple versions at once saves time by exploring variations in motion, framing, and lighting. It's a fast way to compare options side by side and pick the one that best matches your brand or story. This is particularly useful when you're unsure which creative direction works best or when you want A, B style options for content testing. When everything looks good, click Generate. Kling AI will process your request and display the results. When they're ready, play them back. Check the motion, make sure the subject reads well on a phone screen, and confirm the pacing fits your target duration. This review step is important because short-form content needs to grab attention instantly and hold it within the first few seconds. If something feels off, adjust the prompt, tweak quality or length, and generate again until you're happy. Small changes can significantly improve realism, pacing, and visual clarity. Even minor prompt edits like adjusting lighting or camera movement can completely change the final output. That's the complete flow for creating a shorts-ready video with Kling AI. Follow these steps, refine your prompt, and you'll build scroll-stopping vertical clips in minutes. With practice, you'll start producing consistent, high-quality shorts much faster and with fewer retries.